So question number 11. What is the molecular geometry of carbon dioxide? CO2. So to help answer this question, we need to write the Lewis structure. So first, let's calculate the total valence electrons for this molecule. Carbon has 4, and oxygen has 6, and we multiply this by 2 since there are 2 oxygen atoms, and you should end up getting 16 valence electrons. So now let's draw carbon as our central atom. And if we were to just draw 2 single bonded oxygens, you'll notice that carbon doesn't have a full octet yet, so these will both be double bonded. And then I'll just draw in my lone pairs on the oxygens. And if we count out all the electrons in this structure, each bond contains 2 bonding electrons. So we have 8 plus 8. So we have our 16 valence electrons. So this is the correct Lewis structure. So now let's analyze it to find out its molecular geometry. So for this structure, we base the molecular geometry on the central atom, which is carbon. So carbon contains 0 lone pairs. And there are also 2 bonded atoms. So we need to use our Vesper table to figure out its molecular geometry. So here, when we have 2 bonded atoms and 0 lone pairs, we have a linear molecular shape and also a linear electron geometry. I'm just going to write linear. The carbon is sp hybridized, and the bond angle will be 180 degrees. So you can kind of tell this is 180 degrees. So our answer is B. So our junior tutor said to find the molecular geometry of carbon dioxide, we need to obtain its Lewis structure. So they counted out their valence electrons to get 16. And then they drew out the correct structure, which is linear. So this solution is correct.